Everyone keeps pitching minimal backend stacks like they are an automatic upgrade, but enterprise production is not a greenfield demo. The real game is shipping fast without destabilizing the system that already carries revenue. Quarkus and Spring Boot win this fight because they blend modern speed with operational discipline. You can move aggressively, but still keep observability, policy controls, and incident response grounded. This stack is not nostalgic, it is strategic. Mature runtime behavior, strong ecosystem coverage, and predictable failure handling turn into compounding delivery advantage. Look at the architecture, traffic, data boundaries, and service contracts stay explicit under load. That clarity is exactly what prevents hidden coupling from exploding during growth spikes. And in the terminal, the story is practical, not theoretical. Build times, startup profiles, and benchmark traces give teams evidence they can defend in front of finance, platform leadership, and compliance. Loom adds concurrency without forcing teams to relearn backend architecture from zero. You keep Java ergonomics, keep familiar debugging, and still unlock high-request parallelism. That matters in enterprise systems where the migration budget is always smaller than the incident budget. In this code path, virtual threads, dependency injection, and transactions stay explicit. You can read control flow fast, reason about failure boundaries, and trace behavior without guessing hidden side effects. That operational clarity is why governance and platform teams keep approving these stacks. Native build plus mature framework internals keep startup sharp and throughput steady under real load. You get serverless responsiveness, container density, and predictable behavior in the same runtime. The win is not novelty, it is a tighter performance envelope with fewer surprises. Efficiency now affects compliance, not just latency charts. Lower memory and faster startup reduce idle waste and make cost reporting easier to defend. When finance, platform, and engineering read the same numbers, delivery decisions get faster and less political. Rewrites usually hit twice, migration slow down first, integration failures later, teams lose velocity during the move, then lose more time stabilizing edge cases no one priced into the roadmap. That second wave is where confidence drops and deadlines slip. Predictable runtime metrics become strategic leverage. When latency and memory stay inside known bounds, release planning gets safer, incident response gets calmer, and budget forecasting becomes less reactive. Reliability stops being a slogan and starts behaving like compounding advantage. Talent depth matters as much as architecture. Java teams can hire faster, onboard faster, and scale programs without depending on a tiny pool of specialists. That staffing stability keeps delivery cadence intact when priorities change mid-quarter. AI backends need high fan-out request orchestration with clear failure handling. Loom lets Java scale those flows while keeping the system readable, testable, and supportable. You can push concurrency harder without turning the codebase into a specialized research project. The winning strategy is pragmatic. Keep proven frameworks, modernize the runtime, and compound reliability, throughput, and delivery velocity over time. In enterprise contexts, that is, the aggressive move, because the team that ships consistently usually wins the market window.